Meaning of gin rummy.
Gin rummy.
Gin rummy.
Gin rummy.
Gin rummy. Gin rummy is a card game for two players that originated in the early 20th century. The objective of the game is to score points by forming sets and runs of cards in your hand and discarding all your cards before your opponent. A set is 3 or 4 cards of the same rank, while a run is 3 or more cards of the same suit in sequence. The game involves strategy and luck, as players must decide which cards to keep and which to discard in order to form winning combinations. Gin rummy continues to be a popular game today both online and in person.